Good morning, scholars. Great to see you again. This is Miss Miller, and I am here to do your phonological awareness lesson with you today. It's always important as we're growing as readers that we continue to build the tools to help us be strong readers and to decode words that we may not know. And you might be saying to yourself, well, I already am a great reader, and that might be true. But I will even say, and as an adult, I still sometimes come across words that are unfamiliar to me, but I have the tools to help me decode them and to also help me understand what they mean. So today we're going to learn about detached syllables. And syllables, are parts of words. And something that you must know is that all syllables have to have a vowel. So every syllable that you come across has to have an A, E, I, O, or U. And that right there can help you already break a word apart into those different syllables. So we are going to look at just some detached syllables, which will be some parts of words, and we're going to read those out together. So the first one that I'm going to write on the board is this one. Okay, so if you sound that out or read that, you know that it is dom, dom. And that is part of this word. And this word is dominate, dominate, okay? Let's look at this next one. That one is tell, as in telephone, right, good. This one, the really ugly H, I apologize, that is hap, as in the word happen. Good. Let's do a few more. Whist. I think of where we've seen that word or that syllable, wisp. And that would be in the word whisper. Two more. Tem, tem, as in the word temple. And the last one is sub. Probably seen this in a lot of words, like the restaurant Subway, but we're going to do this word, submarine. Okay, so if you just look here, you can see, remember the clue that I told you, that every syllable has to have a vowel in it. So if we look here, we have an I, and then we have this here, an E. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to teach you how to actually go through and identify the syllables in a word. Now, it depends on what types of words you are looking at, but today we're going to start with 2-syllable words, and there's just some really easy ways to go about doing this, and you're going to walk away and feel super awesome that you know this strategy now. Okay, so even if you know this word, that's great, but we're going to learn how to do the syllabication method where we break it apart. So the first word we are going to look at is this word here. Now, what we do first is we underline our vowels. I have an O and I have an E. After I do that, I'm going to draw a line down like this and put a V, because we know that those are our vowels. Okay, so we draw a line down and we put a V. And then I do this and I draw a line to kind of make a bridge. Okay. And you're probably thinking, why am I doing that? So the next step is you're going to look up here and you're going to say, I have some letters here that do not belong together, meaning that they don't blend together. And those two letters are N and N. So we're just going to divide right here. And now we have our two syllables. So now we can sound this word out. And we have on, bon, and net. So those are the two syllables. And the word is bonnet, like a bonnet that you wear on your head. Good job. Let's do one more or a couple more. Next one. Let's go back to our blue. Okay. First thing we do is we underline our vowels. Yes, we have an A and an E. We go down like this and draw a line. We put a V to help us remember that those are V's. We connect our bridge. And then we go up top and we look at letters that don't necessarily go together. And this is going to be divided here. And this word would then be tandem. Tandem. Okay, two more. Okay, underline our vowels. We draw a line, put a V at the bottom, connect the bridge. We go back up and we look for letters that don't belong together. And we definitely know it's that L and that V. Okay, so we're going to draw our line right here in between the L and the V. Then we can blend our word, velvet, and our word is velvet. Awesome job, scholars. And the last word that we're going to look at together today is this word here. We're going to underline our vowels, go down, draw a V, connect our bridge. We look for our letters that don't go together. That's these two, of course. We're going to divide down the middle and we can blend our word tinsel. So that is tinsel, like you put on a Christmas tree. So this week or today after this, your teacher is going to give you a list of some words that you are going to break apart by syllables. And you're going to use this method that I have taught you to underline those vowels and figure out where those words are divided. And I will also give you some sentences and things that you can read to practice as well. So I hope that you enjoy learning about syllabication, and I will see you next time.